Welcome to Luxuline. Today we're exploring the top 5 most beautiful water villas in the Maldives. These luxurious escapes offer unparalleled beauty, privacy and comfort, making them the perfect destinations for your next dream vacation. And remember, luxury isn't just a place, it's a lifestyle. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more exclusive content. Let's dive in. Our journey begins in the Nunu Atoll, a jewel amongst jewels in this exquisite chain of islands. Here we find Sonovajani, a name synonymous with unparalleled luxury. Imagine waking each morning not to the insistent call of an alarm clock, but to the gentle lapping of the Indian Ocean against your private deck. This is the reality that awaits at Sonovajani, where each overwater villa is a sanctuary of indulgence. The villas themselves are architectural marvels crafted with a deep respect for the natural world. Sustainable woods and natural materials blend seamlessly with the environment, creating a sense of harmony between man and nature. But the true piece de resistance is the retractable roof. Imagine, if you will, lying in your plush king-size bed, the tropical night sky ablaze with a million stars, all visible from the comfort of your own private haven. And if the celestial tapestry above isn't enough to tempt you, perhaps the private pool shimmering just outside your door will. Take a refreshing dip as the sun rises, casting golden hues across the lagoon, or simply laze on your private deck, a chilled cocktail in hand as the world drifts by. For the adventurous souls amongst us, Sonovajani offers something truly unique. A water slide that plunges directly from your villa into the crystal clear lagoon below. Feel the thrill as you glide through the warm water, emerging into the embrace of the Indian Ocean, a playground of marine life awaiting your discovery. But Sonovajani is more than just opulent villas and thrilling adventures. It's a philosophy, a commitment to sustainable luxury that permeates every aspect of the resort. From the organic gardens providing fresh produce for your meals, to the on-site marine biologist dedicated to preserving the delicate ecosystem, Sonovajani invites you to indulge in luxury without compromising the health of the planet. Our next destination takes us to the heart of the South Ari Atoll, where the Conrad Maldives Rangali Island awaits. Here, amidst a tapestry of vibrant coral reefs and shimmering turquoise waters, lies a destination that redefines the very concept of luxury. Prepare to be captivated by the Muraka, the world's first underwater residence. This architectural masterpiece is a testament to human ingenuity, seamlessly blending cutting-edge technology with the mesmerizing beauty of the underwater world. Descend into a realm where the walls of your bedroom are living canvases, showcasing the vibrant ballet of marine life just beyond the glass. Imagine waking to the gentle caress of sunlight filtering through the water, illuminating schools of colorful fish as they dance around your underwater haven. Enjoy breakfast served on your private deck, the gentle murmur of the ocean providing a soothing soundtrack to your morning. As the day unfolds, explore the vibrant coral gardens surrounding your villa, a kaleidoscope of color and life teeming just beneath the surface. Snorkel alongside graceful manta rays, marvel at the intricate formations of the coral reefs, and encounter creatures that seem straight out of a dream. But the Muraka is just the beginning of the Conrad Maldives symphony of luxury. Above the surface, a world of unparalleled indulgence awaits. Dine at Ithaya, the world's first all-glass undersea restaurant, where the culinary creations are as breathtaking as the panoramic views of the marine life surrounding you. Indulge in rejuvenating treatments at the Overwater Spa, where ancient healing traditions meet modern wellness practices. Let the expert therapists soothe your body and soul as you gaze out at the endless horizon, the gentle sea breeze whispering tales of distant shores. Chapter 3, One and Only Rithi Ra, where elegance meets nature. Our journey now takes us to the North Male Atoll, where one and only Rithi Ra, a sanctuary of understated elegance, awaits. Here, amidst a landscape of swaying palm trees, pristine beaches, and azure lagoons, luxury takes on a new meaning. Imagine stepping into a world where time seems to slow down, where the gentle rhythm of island life dictates the pace of your days. This is the essence of one and only Rithi Ra, a place where you can truly disconnect from the outside world and reconnect with yourself. The villas themselves are masterpieces of contemporary design, each one a private oasis of tranquility. Spacious interiors adorned with natural materials and soft, muted tones create a sense of calm and serenity. Floor-to-ceiling windows offer breathtaking views of the lagoon, inviting the outside in. Step out onto your private deck, an extension of your living space, and feel the warmth of the sun on your skin. Take a dip in your private pool, the cool water a welcome respite from the tropical heat, or simply lose yourself in the pages of a good book, the gentle lapping of the waves providing a soothing soundtrack. One and only Rithira is a haven for those seeking a refined and sophisticated escape. Dine at one of the resort's exceptional restaurants, each offering a unique culinary journey. Sample the freshest seafood expertly prepared by world-class chefs as you enjoy panoramic views of the Indian Ocean. Indulge in rejuvenating treatments at the award-winning spa, where ancient healing traditions meet modern wellness practices. Let the expert therapists soothe your body and soul as you listen to the gentle whisper of the wind through the palm trees. Chapter 4, Four Seasons, Landa Jiravaru, where luxury knows no bounds. Our quest for the ultimate Maldivian escape now leads us to the Bar Atoll, a UNESCO biosphere reserve renowned for its breathtaking beauty and unparalleled marine biodiversity. Here, nestled amidst a kaleidoscope of coral reefs and shimmering turquoise lagoons, lies the Four Seasons Landa Jiravaru. Imagine stepping onto an island where time seems to stand still, where the gentle rhythm of nature dictates the pace of life. The air is filled with the scent of exotic blooms, the sound of the waves crashing on the shore, a constant lullaby. This is the magic of Landa Jiravaru, a place where you can truly escape the everyday and embrace the extraordinary. The water villas at Landa Jiravaru are a testament to understated elegance and unparalleled comfort. Crafted from sustainable materials and designed to blend seamlessly with the natural surroundings, each villa is a private sanctuary, a haven of peace and tranquility. Imagine waking each morning to the gentle caress of sunlight streaming through floor-to-ceiling windows, revealing breathtaking panoramic views of the Indian Ocean. Step out onto your private deck, an extension of your living space, and feel the warmth of the sun on your skin as you inhale the fresh, salty air. Take a dip in your private infinity pool, the cool water a welcome respite from the tropical heat, or simply relax on your sun lounger, a refreshing drink in hand, and lose yourself in the mesmerizing beauty of the surrounding lagoon. But Landa Jiravaru is more than just a place to relax and unwind. It's a destination that invites you to explore, to discover, to reconnect with nature. Embark on a guided snorkeling tour of the surrounding reefs, a kaleidoscope of color and life teeming beneath the surface. Chapter 5, St. Regis Maldives Vomuli Resort, a symphony of modern luxury. Our journey culminates in the Dahalu Atoll, where the St. Regis Maldives Vomuli Resort awaits, a testament to modern design and unparalleled sophistication. Here, amidst a landscape of pristine beaches, swaying palm trees and azure lagoons, luxury takes on a whole new meaning. Imagine stepping onto an island where every detail has been carefully considered, where contemporary architecture blends seamlessly with the natural beauty of the Maldives. The St. Regis Vomuli is a sanctuary of style and sophistication, a place where you can indulge in the finer things in life without ever having to lift a finger. The water villas at Vomuli are a study in understated elegance, each one a private oasis of tranquility and indulgence. Floor-to-ceiling windows offer breathtaking panoramic views of the Indian Ocean, while private decks invite you to soak up the sun and enjoy the gentle sea breeze. Imagine waking each morning to the gentle caress of sunlight streaming through your villa, the sound of the waves crashing on the shore, a soothing lullaby. Step out onto your private deck, an extension of your living space, and feel the warmth of the sun on your skin as you inhale the fresh, salty air. Take a dip in your private infinity pool, the cool water a welcome respite from the tropical heat. Or simply relax on your sun lounger, a refreshing drink in hand, and lose yourself in the mesmerizing beauty of the surrounding lagoon. As the sun begins its descent, casting long shadows across the water, make your way to the Whale Bar, an architectural marvel shaped like a whale shark where you can sip on expertly crafted cocktails as you watch the sky erupt in a riot of color. Now it's your turn. Which water villa are you dreaming of staying in? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more luxurious content. Thanks for watching Luxuline, and we'll see you in the next video. Remember, in the world of luxury travel, the Maldives is the ultimate paradise.